The latch is on. It looks real nice. And we open it like that. Comes down. It has the 2 screws that go in here. You can actually put these wires on with your bare hands. And you put your new screws on here. Over here I've taken grease and I've greased up this one area right here so it'll work better, along with right here. I've done the same, you can see it's the red grease. I've done it the other side and up here. You want to make sure everything works. And then we'll put on 4 bolts from this here. Really should wash everything, but it's the middle of January, so oh well. So put on 4 bolts here, and then we'll put on another 8 bolts on the truck, the bed liner. Isn't that a pretty cat? That is a Balinese Siamese, pure-blooded. They're worth a whole lot of money. Beautiful, beautiful male. Luna, Luna. Come here, look. Really smart, really nice cat. Very friendly. Okay, so I'm going to go and put all this back together, and let's see how well it works.